Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, on the DOT chart, we've seen now nice upside momentum today. Market is up 8%, at least based on Tradingview. We have seen, yeah, as I said, some good upside momentum. The price has broken above, or at least is trying to break above the previous signal line, which is indicated by the green line. And we haven't, however, seen a sustained break, but based on price action and based on where the price found support, I would assume that the third wave to the upside is now unfolding. I mean, quick reminder, the price bottomed here in what could have been a wave 4. That wasn't very clear. It still could be something different, but you know, we had a 3-wave move down into a support area. Important was and still is that the market does not break and sustain below that 570 area there, which is the 61.8 retracement of the third wave rally, which started in November. And I mean, at the moment we're holding above, right? We're holding above, so it's looking good. And as long as we're holding above that 577 level, the overall focus could be on higher prices. And the important was that we had 2 support areas. So we had this one to which the price reacted. I mean, that really counts, okay? And then we had another one for a potential 1-2 setup in case the price already reversed. And that was also reached. Plus, again, the larger box was tested again. So, yeah, several times support was tested successfully. And we are now moving up in what could be a third wave rally, okay? Now that would be a third wave. We will have to see how it all comes together. But it could be, again, you know, depending on how this now unfolds. And I'm not necessarily, I wouldn't rely on a nice microstructure here, but for now I'm tracking this as a 5-wave move. I'm not sure if that's going to be, again, another wave 1. You know, we're moving down in another wave 2. In theory, yes, but then we'll see how it all comes together. Overall, what I'd like to see in this cycle, and I've been highlighting that throughout, is one more high in circle 5, which could reach the next upside fib levels around 1650 or around about 1970. But looking at the microstructure, you know, this is what counts now in the very short term. The next objective for the bulls will now be to establish itself, hold above the previous swing high. That's not done yet. Okay, that's not done yet, but there's a good chance it's going to do that. Break above 790 as well, which is the next upside fib level, which acted as resistance. And then 837 should be resistance, 888, and I would really like to see the price get to $9.21 or higher in this third wave, because that's just sort of, you know, that's what we trust, right? The third wave that gets to the 138% extension, which is located at 920. And then we can add support for the wave 4, and then there should be one more high. As soon as I can add the next support area, I will. To be honest, I have run out of wave degrees. So for me, this is a 1-2 setup here again after the price reacted to support. This here looks like an incomplete internal third wave. Might get one more high. Then another 4-5 would be ideal, and it could get to that ideal target for a third wave. Important is now that the market holds above the red line. I really don't want the price to break below the $7.10 mark now. Ideally not even below 720, which is the very last swing low, but you know, this would certainly not be in line with the idea that this is an impulse to the upside. So yeah, that's how I track it at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.